How to find your Epic Games email and password. Welcome to Glitz and let's get right into this video. In order to do so, firstly launch a preferred browser in your device. At the top, you need to search for Epic Games or search in store.epicgames.com. Now in here, you need to select the Epic Games Store option. You'll be redirected to an interface like this. So firstly, hover or tap on the username icon at the top. Once you're in here, if you're not logged in yet, you can select the option of forgot password by entering your email address or use the other methods to log in too. In the case when you tap on forgot your password, an email will be sent to your account from which you can easily recover your password in the case of forgotten credentials. If you are already logged in, all you have to do is simply tap on the user icon or hover on the user icon at the top. Now from here, you need to head to the account section. Under account settings, you will find your account information, that is the email address. However, the password will not be disclosed to you. So if you want to recover, you need to try the first method. If you have saved your password, you can tap on the three dot and head on the password and autofill and tap on Google Password Manager. In that case, you'll be able to view both your Epic Games email and password easily. Which brings us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.